up everybody, Nick here with Tackform. Here's 3 reasons our 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma dashboard mounts are outperforming the rest. Number 1, internal support structures. The dashboard of the Tacoma is very flimsy. Once you remove it from the dash and you're doing this install, you'll notice that it's very flexible and can twist. Well, the problem is when you're mounting devices on the top of this and you have an arm that's cantilevering the dash and there's a lot of flex and force applied, you have a tablet, a phone, you're going over rocky terrain, your devices are gonna bounce because this fixture, this dashboard is going to twist. So we have internal support structures that mount and stiffen the inside of the radio. So when you're mounting heavier devices or regular devices, they're just going to perform better. The screen is going to be still. You're not going to see it bouncing around like you do on some of the other mounts out there. Number 2, the overall width. Some of the dashboard brackets we see out there are small. They're about the width of the monitor, which the problem with that is you're mounting your ball here. You want to have your phone mounted here. This requires you to have a long arm to get the phone into the appropriate position. With the Tackform, both our Picatinny version and our Slim Track version, it's wide enough to where you can have a ball mounted all the way over here to the right, allowing you to use a very, very short arm to mount your device, same as on the other side. Number 3, fit and finish. Both our Picatinny rail as well as our Slim Track are made from CNC-machined aluminum. They have beautiful chamfered edges. They have a hard coat anodizing. They look beautiful in your Tacoma like they were meant to be there.